Hello friends, John over here again, trying to get back on the horse studying for CCNP NCORE. What I have here is Cisco Devnet lab, and I have already started a lab with a Catalyst 8000 as a host with a public URI, as you can see here on the screen, and got all the information to log on. Then here in the center have Postman already connected, and on the left side I got a putty session connected to the same device that's running on that sandbox environment, and this is also that I can practice. As I mentioned, I already have a connection between Postman and the Devnet lab, the device itself, utilizing the same credentials that I had here. And then for host, as you can see, I have the URL that was provided and the port that was provided, which is 443 in this case. With this, I want to send in and get all the states of all the interfaces, and that was successful. I got a 200 OK, and we were able to see what's going on all the interfaces as if we were directly on putty or CLI or section INT. So, all right, so it would be the same as if I did something like this, where I can see what's going on that interface, gigabit 2. So moving on, I want to do some other actions here. I want, in this case, there is no loopback. There's only loopback 0. There is no other loopback. I want to create a loopback using Postman. In this case, I'm going to create loopback 2. And most importantly, I want to add a description that says that it was configured by me, so that I know that it was just done right now. And at the same time, I'll be able to take it back in a minute. And that will be the IP address being used and the mask that's going to be used with that same interface. So we send that, we get a 201 status created, and if we run the command again, we can see what's going on. Loopback 2 was created with the IP address that was selected. Show run interface loopback 2. And we can also see on the description the comments that I had included in there. Very cool stuff. So now let's see if we can ping that, and we can. All right, now that we are all good with that, I want to delete that same interface by using send command up here. So we have interface equals to loopback 2. That's the one that's going to be deleted, and we get a 204 no content. Go back and show, and the loopback 2 has already been deleted with all the information that was pertaining to it. So this is some really cool stuff. I'm over here giggling because of all the coolness that's happening in the background. But I do appreciate you watching the video, and I'm happy to be back doing some more studies up here. See you later.